The global tire and rubber lubricant market is analyzed to reach a value of $1.87 billion in 2024, according to a new research report published by Fact.MR. Demand is projected to rise at a 7.4% CAGR to touch a value of $3.83 billion by the end of 2034. The requirement for efficient lubricants in tire manufacturing and maintenance is growing along with the number of vehicle owners. The ongoing advancements in tire design and manufacturing techniques are driving up the requirement for advanced lubricants that improve their performance, longevity, efficiency, and other features. East Asia is estimated to hold 27.2% global market share in 2024 and is forecasted to rise at 9.5% CAGR over the next 10 years. Tire and rubber lubricants reduce the viscosity of rubber compounds, making rubber processing easier or more efficient, enhance mechanical properties, improve the braking efficiency and fuel consumption of the automotive. Asia-Pacific is estimated to account for a dominant share in the tire and rubber lubricants market, owing to the strong investments in China, Japan, and